Ginger has been in use to get rid of nausea for centuries. We will discuss 3 best ways to use ginger for nausea and also take a look at what scientists have found out. Let's begin with nausea first. Nausea can be acute and short-lived, but sometimes it can be prolonged. Food poisoning, overeating certain kinds of foods, dehydration, pregnancy and morning sickness, motion sickness, acid reflux and certain medications cause nausea. Other more serious causes of nausea may require proper medical treatment of the underlying conditions. Let's now understand how ginger can help in treating occasional bouts of nausea. For serious underlying conditions, you should consult a doctor. Gingerol in ginger is the main bioactive compound responsible for its medicinal properties. It provides anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and helps in improving digestion and getting rid of nausea. A 2007 study found ginger as effective as dimenhydrinate used in the treatment of nausea and vomiting during pregnancy with fewer side effects. Another 2011 study compared ginger with medicine metoclopramide and found ginger as a good alternative remedy for nausea during pregnancy. You can take ginger in any of the following 3 ways to get rid of your nausea. 1. Ginger in your daily diet. Add ginger to your daily diet for sustained benefits. This is more of a preventive method than curative. 2. Munch raw ginger root. Wash, peel and cut ginger root in 2 to 3 mm thick slices. Chew these slices as and when convenient throughout the day for a quick relief. 3. Ginger tea for nausea. Ginger tea is the most acceptable and comfortable way to consume ginger. It also gives fast relief from nausea. Boil a ½ washed, peeled and crushed root of ginger in a cup of boiling water for 5 minutes. Take it away from heat and add ½ teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix well and drink warm. Ginger ale and ginger powder can also help. Bottom line is, if you feel nausea, consuming ginger in any form can help. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.